Hello everyone, this is Supercell EAS, along with
Phoenix EAS, BM12, Oh yeah, Torcon did introduce himself, I heard it.
Okay, good. And that's EAS Torcon 100. And we are going to be unboxing one of 3 mystery radios. Thankfully, I got myself a pair of scissors so that we'll be able to do so. Alright. Alright, it is a box inside a package. Alright. A box in the box. More like a box than this. Anyway. Oh, this. Oh, you know what? Alright. So, now we got a box to cut open. Open. Gosh darn it. Wow. That is a lot of tape. And inside, we have paper. And inside here is a weather radio. But it's unlike any weather radio you've seen. Let's cut this open real quick. Wow. That is crazy. No, it's just bags. So inside, there's a weather radio that has not been introduced to the EAS community just yet. And this is what it looks like.
Oh, never mind. What is that?
EAS enthusiasts, meet the Coby CX-WB15.
Oh boy, I thought it was going to be like the first one I have to pay $11.80.
No, I did not have enough money to get that. But yeah.
Oh well.
So we're going to flick all the switches and press all the buttons. We're going to remove this rubber band. Ouch. Alert, WB, alert, blah, blah, blah. Volume, tuning, I'm assuming this is. Inside here is a handle. Weather band switch. And we got ourselves an extendable antenna. This specific model is the Coby CX-WB15AC. Here's another look at it, if you want to see. Yeah, it's one of the old ones. This is an old weather radio. I'm assuming it activates from the 1050 Hertz tone. Now what we are going to do, right here, here's the guide right here. And Now we are going to insert the batteries for this weather radio. Alright, let's see how this works. Wow, that is a hard battery cover to open. Wow. Ouch, that hurt. Alright, so we need 4 AA batteries. Thank goodness I have 4 AA batteries right here. Alright, let's hope this works. Here's 1 battery. Oh. That spring seems to be having a bit of trouble right now. Alright then. Looks like we've got ourselves a damaged spring here for the batteries. Maybe that's what caused it, because I don't know how to put in this AA battery. So all right. Now I'm inserting the batteries for the radio. 46 minutes long. See, this is a bad battery thing here, because I'm going to have to put the spring all the way down in order to... Jeez. That battery placement is going to be a bit hard. I think for now, I think we should probably stick to an AC adapter. Because the batteries are giving us a pain, and there is a damaged spring in the battery. Here it is right here. For now, I'm going to get myself an extra AC adapter. I mean, this one should come with one. I don't know why it isn't included in it. So inside my bin of retired radios, there is a thing here. Let's see what this supports. This supports 6 volts DC. I'm going to put this one in. And we are going to go ahead and plug it in and see if it works. Because it would be great if it does. Because if it doesn't work, then ourselves have a retired radio in our hands if this happens. But anyway, let's plug it in. Alright, as I plug this in, we'll go ahead and see if the weather radio turns on. Oh, it's because it's different.
Highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. Sunday
The weather band works. The channels numbers on here are different. As you can see, channel 1 would be channel 7. Channel 2 is channel 1. Channel 3 is channel 4. Channel 4 is channel 2. Channel 5 is channel 3. Channel 6 is channel 5. And channel 7 is channel 6. So, and now it's on the alert function. So I'm going to leave this on the 2. It's on 162.400 megahertz. I thought that this weather radio was not going to work, but apparently the weather channels have different meanings. So, of course, it's an old weather radio, of course, and during the time, I guess channel 2 was 162.4 megahertz. But yeah, as you can see, the weather radio powers on. But yeah, here you are, guys. The Coby CX-WB15AC. Let me show you the radio. I guess we don't need these batteries, because it looks like this one came with a bad battery thing. But I'm not too sure if you're able to see that. That is down here. Here is the radio in operation. I'm assuming this is some form of 1050 hertz radio, and we'll hope that it actually receives an alert. But yeah, that, my friends, is the unboxing, the YouTube first unboxing of the Coby CX-WB15AC. I just lost the manual, or where the heck is it? I'm getting 2 more of them. 2 more mystery radios. But here's the manual. It looks pretty easy to operate, but yeah. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video with this manual, and yeah. Alright, I'm going to end the video. Yeah, that, my friends, is the Coby CX-WB15. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Please subscribe to the following people. Order of intros is the same.
Oh, EPCAS. VM12.
And that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. That's it.